Sawasdee, welcome to GoThai.Tours, where your adventure in the enchanting land of Thailand begins. As a premier travel agency, we're dedicated to showcasing the best of Thailand. Whether it's bustling cityscapes or tranquil beaches, we bring you an experience like no other. Thailand is a treasure trove of experiences. Here are some of the must-do activities on your visit. Join us for a heartwarming visit to an elephant sanctuary, where you can interact with these majestic creatures. Unleash your culinary skills with a traditional Thai cooking class, right from the heart of Thailand's culinary experts. Dive into adventure in Thailand's crystal-clear waters and discover an underwater world like no other. But that's not all. Thailand is also home to some of the most awe-inspiring attractions in the world. Experience the splendor and history of the Grand Palace, a true architectural masterpiece. Explore the spiritual heart of Thailand with a visit to the ancient temples of Chiang Mai. Escape to the idyllic Phi Pai Islands where stunning beaches and crystal-clear waters await you. With GoThai.Tours, your journey will be effortless and memorable. We pride ourselves on flexibility and value, offering free cancellation and a best price guarantee on all our tours. Immerse yourself in the vibrant culture, savor delicious Thai cuisine, and make memories that will last a lifetime. Hear from our happy travelers who've experienced the magic of Thailand with us. Are you ready to discover Thailand in all its glory? Visit GoThai.Tours to book your next adventure. We can't wait to welcome you. GoThai.Tours, where your Thai adventure begins.